Hey, what's up guys? Today we have some accessories that I got today in the mail for the Parrot Anafi. And this obviously is a case which you can add a strap to with the shoulder pad. But that would hook on to these rings right here. But you simply unzip it, and then inside you have the Parrot Anafi. It's got the molded cutouts. And the nice thing about this is you're double protected. You can keep the case that came with the Parrot and put that inside this case. So it's a case within a case. And then now the controller is nicely protected, and I don't have to worry about any problems messing up my sticks or anything, having it loose in a bag or anything like that. You've got room for 2 batteries, or 3 if you keep one on the quad. You can keep your full box of props right here in that cutout, and then a place for your cord as well. So this case here, I'll put the link in it. It was something like $25, I think, but I think that's well worth it to get a case that matches the case that comes with the Parrot stock. So that was a very good purchase. It's not heavy. It's not real thick. It's nice and clean. Got a handle right here. Lightweight. And it's just as durable as the stock case that comes with your Parrot Anafi. It's got a little more flex to it, obviously, because it's a bigger case, but like I said, you're double protected in there. So that's the case that I got for the Parrot Anafi. I believe it was $25. And anything I show you today that I got extra for the Parrot, I will put a link in the description of the video. The next thing I wanted to show you was something I will not be using. If you want these, then that's your preference, but I don't like them just because they are not easy to take off. Leg extensions, and they have an opening so your antennas on each leg are not blocked. That's the back, that's the front. It doesn't matter where you put them. They're all the same. They're all the same length. Yeah. But that's the back side of them, and that's the front side of them. I put them on, and if you look on the side here, you have these little pieces that snap into place. They click into place and lock. And they weren't real easy to get off at all. So that kind of defeats my purpose of, easy accessibility. After I'm done flying, I don't want to fiddle with taking these off. And it's an easy quad to hand catch. So I don't think I'll be using these at all. It all came as a kit with the next 2 things I'm about to show you. So for myself, I won't be using these, but they come in the kit. And you can buy all these things separately, but it's much cheaper if you buy them all as a kit. So that to me is a dud. Then the other thing would be motor covers. These are the motor covers because if you notice, the Parrot is very exposed, the motors are. Now, whether these are a good thing or not, I don't know. But I am going to try them, and you can see how wide open these motors are. So what they do is they slide over the top of the motor, and then you put your props on, and your props fit down inside the holes. So they come in red or black. I decided to get the red add a little different color. They're still wide open underneath. If you look here, it's still wide open underneath there. So ventilation I don't think will be too terrible of a situation, but it will keep pieces of debris, bugs while you're flying, whatever, out of the motor. So these definitely I think are worth a try. I am going to try these. The other thing that I got that I like most of all is a gimbal protector. So you have this lens that comes with it that covers the lens, but they also have a gimbal protector. I don't know if the lens is supposed to stay on or not. Let's see if that fits in there. Yeah, it does. So you can still leave your lens on the Parrot like that. And then we just simply take the cover. It's got a cutout on one side. And it just simply slides over the gimbal like so, and sets nicely in the back. So now it's very well protected. It can shake, rattle. It's not gonna get bumped hard or anything like that. So that's something out of the stuff that I got today that I like the most. And I always try to keep it so my props are not inside there with the gimbal, just in case I forget and I force them out. But let's see how it fits back in the case. Yeah, so it still fits in the case nicely, and there's no vibrating, jerking around in there. So all in all, I think that today's stuff is good. Just need to put those on and try those out, but that'll be a to be continued type thing after I've tried them out. So there's a total of 4, of course, that come in the set. And the other thing is, if you get a Parrot Anafi brand new, it comes only with the cable for it's the USB with the C type on the other end. It doesn't, you don't have, if you use a different cable for your Android or your iPhone, you don't have a cable for that. So I did purchase a cable it's a lightning cable for my iPhone to use to plug into the controller, and then that end obviously goes into my device. So again, the Parrot does not come with that, and it does work, so I will provide the link for that as well. But that's the stuff that I got in the mail today, my accessories for the Parrot Anafi. And the only other thing I really need to buy is some spare batteries. I never buy spare batteries right off the bat until I know that I really like a product and I'm going to be using it. So I really like this guy, and it's deserving of spare batteries, so I can fly it more. So that's it. Just wanted to share those few things with you real quick, and look at the description below for the links. And if you're interested in any of these, just click on them, go to Amazon and purchase them. And no, I do not get anything for any of the links that I share. I'm just simply sharing what I've got and what I'm using or plan on using for you to take a look at and get a better look at here on my channel. So hopefully these are some things that interest you and you'll enjoy them. And thank you for watching. Take care.